It's your boy KT and y'all back on the channel, man. Road to 1,000 subs, man. I'm still on that journey, man. I'm getting to almost about halfway there, man. So make sure y'all hit that sub button, man. Hit that sub button, man. Also hit that like button, you know what I'm saying? Because y'all know the content I'm bringing y'all is straight fire, fuego. Come on, man. Continue to show support to the channel, man. And if you ain't subscribing, you need to, so you can keep up with all the content like this dope video you about to see now, as well as you can browse the channel as you like, you know what I'm saying? I got plenty hours and plenty rows of videos. So anyway, you know what I'm saying? Your boy got a special video today, you know what I'm saying? I'm riding in the motherfucking whip, but it's not the GT right now. I'm in the low-key ride, you know what I'm saying? I'm in a little Nissan or whatever. But anyway, you know what I'm saying? I'm headed to Summit, you know. Of course, you know, it's one of my favorite stores. I'm headed to Summit, and y'all already know I'm about to add another part to the GT, man, you know. Y'all already seen the colder intake vid, you know what I'm saying? And hey, of course, you know, I gotta come with another little part that, you know what I'm saying? It's not necessarily directly, you know, it's not directly tied into the colder intake, you know, it's a different part, but it's a part that you must put on these new vehicles, especially these high performance ones, if you expect, you know what I'm saying, to get the most out of them. But you know what I'm saying, I'm not gonna bore y'all with all this talking. I'm gonna hit y'all when I get up in Summit, you know what I'm saying? I might go live in Summit, I might not on the cam, it just depends. But y'all definitely gonna get this video, what I'm gonna do though. But anyway, hey man, just strap your seatbelts up, you know what I'm saying? Hold tight, put your earbuds in, whatever you in, you know, whatever you're doing right now with this COVID-19 situation. Just take it easy. And we'll be right back. Got the Demon 340.
Man, this guy can't let me get away from this virus, man.
So just got me a Charger RT shirt since I still do have a Dodge. This is about to kill me. And I never thought I'd be in this aisle looking for anything. I got my boys on the phone right now as I'm doing this video. They're laughing at me because I'm over here in this section. I do have a Mustang. I do. I have a Hemi too, but...
Okay, I was about to say, when did you get your Mustang?
You didn't see the video?
Uh-uh.
Check it out. It's on,
on
yeah, it's on the channel.
Okay.
It's on the time. It is on there. It's a sad. I'm like really up here looking. So God, which Mustang shirt y'all see? I think I should cop the Snake Pit. Got the Mustang with the tri-bar. Got the classic horsepower. Ford Mustang. Got this one. Decisions.
Says you don't have to drive a Mustang, but you think
I think, based on evidence, I think I will be going with this one. You do? I do too. Thank you. She's giving me help. I appreciate it.
you're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah. So now I have a Mustang shirt. But I still got the Hemi though. Mopar, but I gotta cop both. That'll be it.
Yes, sir. Got it in stock going at 159.
Okay. That's what's about to go on the Mustang.
Anything else you're looking for, boss?
That'll be all. All right, you guys, I'm at the car right now. It's kind of dark out here, but hey, got some flashlights set up with these cell phones, so you know, hey, a grind is a grind no matter how it comes. Even got the headlights off the vehicles, you know what I'm saying? So you know, it's all good. But anyway, I have the JLT intake, and then when you buy the setup, it comes already pre-assembled. And I'm gonna also put this part number in the description if you guys want to check it out. So as you can see, it's just 2 connections, and that's just pretty much it. And they're actually facing the way that they go, left, right. If you come over here, you have one connection. One connection is on the passenger side bank valve cover over here, and then you come over here, the right side is connected to the front of the intake plenum, is what it connects to. So we're gonna take this side of the line off right here, and then we're gonna get the next side over here, right here. So pretty much, I'm just gonna disconnect this side of the tab right here. Let me move my cell phone. This one right here, I'm gonna disconnect this one first. It's just a pushback tab, and I'm gonna come right along here and disconnect this one on the front of the intake plenum. So let me show you. All right, so this is the first tab right here. You just pretty much, you push it back, and it pops right up just like that. So that's the first one. As you can see, it has a little oil on the tool to let you know that that's where the oil goes to. And then next, I'm about to move right along to the other side of the connection, because it's one hose, and the other side is right here. And so when you follow this hose, it's gonna lead right to here, and you just do the same thing. Put my finger in there, push up, and bam. It's a one-piece line. I'm gonna sit right here in my car. It's a one-piece line. Sit right there. And so now I'm gonna come back, and then pretty much take this out of the box, and then we're gonna get it installed. So pretty much I'm just gonna sit it down like right here behind this coolant tank, and I'm gonna press the first one in right here. I'm just gonna get that seated in first. Whoops, got one of my flashlights. And bam. I know y'all heard the click right there. And then I'm gonna come over here and then just push this one down right here in the other part where I took it off the front of the intake. So right now everything is snug tight right there. I pull on it. It's snug tight right there. And it's sitting, like I say, right behind the coolant tank. And then come to the front of the intake plenum right there. It's snugged in right there, and it's tight by my hand already. So the JLT canister at the bottom is already tight. So that's how you install a JLT oil separator and a Mustang GT, a 2019 Mustang GT at that. So it's just that simple. All right, you guys, so I hope y'all can see me a little bit. I hope y'all like the video. And for those who don't know, it's very important to try to get an oil separator on these newer cars, especially these racing type of application vehicles. The reason why, because the oil separator, it keeps the oil from being sent through the intake manifold. And if you know, after every cycle of, you know, especially with the summer, the winter, the falls, and the cycling of the engine on off, eventually that oil causes gunk because it builds up like oil. You know, it comes through, it dries and cools, and it builds up in the intake. So over a long process, it can cause detonation to the engine if it builds up real bad, and it can cause also less airflow through the intake manifold, which you don't want, because we all know the intake manifold is very important for your engine to get the type of air it needs to receive in order to run efficiently. So that's why you want to put a JLT oil separator on your car. It just gives you that extra precaution to, you know, take care of your motor. Because I know we spend a lot of money on these cars and you want the best. So, you know, hey, can't go wrong with one. So if you ask me, is an oil separator needed? Yes, it is. So make sure y'all check that out and get one for your car, because you might just end up needing it one day. And also, it'll save you a lot of money on costly repairs, especially if you don't know how to work on your own car. Whew, deadly repairs. But anyway, y'all already know it's Mr. MLB himself, man, a business YCN you can never. And hey, y'all already know. Y'all already know. Come on now. We the mob. We the family. You know what I'm saying? Call the game with that thing. Which I know I'm still more promo from KT, man. You know, still Hemi gang too. You know, y'all see it behind me. Flare it up. But anyway, let's conclude this video. I'll catch y'all on the next one.